Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 14. Hope you all are fine and safe. So did you go through the topics which we have discussed previously in the last class? I hope it is so. What all things we have studied? We studied about what is Wikipedia, which is an information provider. We familiarized about some of the siblings or sisters of the Wikipedia, which includes Wikisource, Wiktionary, Wikicodes, like that. And also we studied about SchoolWiki. What is this SchoolWiki? It is a software, wiki software that includes all details like history, location, etc. of the schools in Kerala. We saw the site of the website of SchoolWiki, and we locate our school also. When we reach to our school, we saw different informations of our school, and also there is proficiency for for adding the informations. Any one of us can add the informations in a SchoolWiki. Already the informations was added by some of our volunteers, teachers, alumni, like that. So students also can add the informations in a SchoolWiki. So due to some internal errors, we can't take the membership. So for adding this for adding the informations in a SchoolWiki, we have to create a membership in SchoolWiki. So for creating the membership, we need a username, password, like that. So at the time of in the last class, when I am checking, it is not coming. It is showing that some internal errors, so we can't take the create membership and we can't enter in our name. But I hope you understood about the steps for doing for taking the membership in SchoolWiki. So after doing that, so after the class also I tried a lot of times. So in that so due to some internal errors, it was not showing. But later I got you can see here, later I got site in my name. Okay, I created the account. I did that all of the steps. We have discussed that. So in that way I got that account. So here we will be discussing about today we will be discussing about Wikicodes, which is related to the SchoolWiki itself. That means SchoolWiki, Wikisource. These are some of the siblings of the Wikipedia. So today we will be studying about Wikicodes, how to add contents in Wikicodes. You can see here in the textbook, page number 38. You can see here Wikicodes. Did you heard about? I hope you already studied about that an important poem, Vishwam Deepamayam, which is from the Malayalam textbook, which is written by Ullur. മനസ്സിൽ നൈരാശ്യമേഴുന്നുവെന്നും മധ്യാഹ്നം പ്രത്യഹമർദ്ധരാത്രം ശുഭം പ്രതീക്ഷിപ്പവനേതുരാവും സൂര്യാംശുദീപ്തം പകൽ പോലെ തന്നെ. So these are some of the lines written by Ullur. I hope you already studied in Malayalam textbook. So some of the remaining lines are also there. So these are some of the codes. So this Wikicodes includes Wiki project which contains a collection of such famous quotations, inspirational lines of poetry, proverbs, riddles, idioms. These all are some of the Wikicodes. You can see here in Wikicodes also we can add contents by our own. Okay, so you can see here the website or the address of Wikicodes. So here I am copying that address and I am pasting it here. So this is the our website of this Wikicodes. So here I am converting to English. So now the page is opened in my name. You can see here this page is opened in my name. I already created the account, created membership. I already told it before. So in the same way, by entering the username and password, I got the web page in my name. Babitajeet1234, like this is my username. So I got the web page like that. And so here you can see some of the different codes and all selected words like that. If I want to add informations, that means to this Wikicodes, that is also possible. In the same way, SchoolWiki, if you want to add the informations, Similar way we can add the informations in wiki codes also. So for that, here already there is there are some codes of Ullur. So here I am searching, is there any codes are available here in the wiki codes website. So we can search here in the search options. I am typing the name Ullur. So we got the name, and when we search, you can see some of the codes, some of the different codes here written by Ullur. So here if I want to add some more lines, extra some more lines, for that what I can do, here you can see an option edit button, you can see, click on the edit button. So these are some of the codes. So if I want to add some extra lines, some more like 4 or 5 lines, I can, here you can see the cursor, here I can add the lines in Malayalam. I can change to Malayalam language, I can add here. Okay, so after that what we have to do, we have to publish that changes, what changes we had made, that we have to publish that changes. So I am clicking here. So already if there are some informations that will be, if we added some informations that will be published here, otherwise nothing will be happening. So in this way we can add the informations in wiki codes also. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. So these are something about the wiki codes. So now we studied about wiki codes and how to add contents in the wiki codes. So you have to try this in at your home, those are having computers. So next we will be, now what all things we have studied, we studied about CAPTCHA, Wikipedia, all are related to the browsing and all, that means internet. If we, for doing this all things, we need internet. For sending the email also, even for sending the email also we need internet. So the basic thing which is needed is internet. So without internet we can't do these all things. The social media have plenty of beneficial prospects. So we get to know the latest news and current affairs. So we all will be knowing that through internet we can, we are very much interested, we are very much related to social medias, which includes Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, like that. So with internet we can access a lot of things. So this if you want to open the Facebook, if you want to open the WhatsApp, even Twitter, so a lot of social medias are there in our surrounding us. So for that, if we have the proper internet facility, we can do like that. We can share our own views, we can have the social interactions with each other. So the social medias, internet, they all are playing an important role in our daily life. So these all are some of the merits of the internet. So there are some I already told, we all are using the internet, social medias and all very easily. We are sharing a lot of information, we are creating the blog like that. There are some people who are making misuse in social medias and all. We can name it as cyber crimes. They are very dangerous, these cyber crimes. A lot of we already heard about different news and all who have who are there for the cyber crimes and all, who made the cyber crime. So what is a cyber crime? We have studied about cyber crimes in standard 8. Illegal activities or offences that are committed with the help of modern telecommunication networks such as computers, mobile phones, internet are termed as cyber crimes. By using the gadgets like computers, mobile phones, internet, if we are making illegal activities or offences, they are known as the cyber crimes, which includes the exchanging or spreading messages, pictures or fake messages for disturbing the privacy of another person. For we all know that for the celebrities, this well-known persons, some other people, for what we say, for disturbing their privacy or for making them what we say, irritated, what they are spreading a lot of messages or the pictures of them. So a lot of cyber crimes we all will be knowing through news, newspapers like that, and even social medias also. So This cyber crimes includes exchanging or spreading messages, pictures or fake messages with the name of disturbing the privacy of a person, trying to defame means trying to make problem with the person or to threaten the national security through internet or any other social media are the grievous cyber crimes. So these are some of the cyber crimes that are happening surrounding us. So we can divide the cyber crimes, like different cyber crimes are there. So that also we will be studying in this chapter. The first one is of cracking. A malicious act of breaking into a computer or a computer network with wrong intentions and tampering with the information in it is called cracking. That means you all will be knowing about making the other person's private like a computer or computer network that with wrong intentions, like having wrong intentions and tampering. If we are misusing the others information, others privacy informations or other computer network, they are known as the cracking. Hacking, which examines the operating system or the software deeply and makes the drastic changes in them, is often wrongly referred as cracking. You all will be knowing that about hacking. What is this hacking? That making a problem in others sites, websites, even in Facebook, social like a lot of news we have heard about that my Facebook page got hacked, like that. What is that? Some hackers, what they are doing, they are misusing the they are taking the others website through some methods and they are misusing them. So these all are some of the methods, or these all are some which comes under the cracking. Another one is phishing. It is an attempt to acquire sensitive personal information like password details, credit card details, like that. So that means stealing the others personal information like password details, credit card details, so through fake methods and all, acquiring or stealing the personal informations of others. Another one is of cyber squatting. It is an act of registering and using deceptive website and address by pretending to be the official websites. That means you can see here, like you will be heard about original website will be there, but many other persons will create the same websites as like that. As of this official website, some persons will create the same website, but it will be fake. So that is known as a cyber squatting, act of registering and using deceptive websites and address to be pretending to be the official website. You all will be knowing that some celebrities and all, they will message, or they will in the social medias and all, they will make the news that their page has hacked, and some others are creating the page as as the official page, and they are sending the messages to others. So sometimes they will come to the social media and they will be telling that this is not my account, this is a fake account, this is not my official account. So this is known as the cyber squatting, that are creating fake accounts and pretending it to be the official accounts. The next one is pornography. You all will be knowing that it is an act of exchanging, exhibiting and trading obscene contents. You all will be knowing, heard about that pictures, videos related to the pornography. So that is also an important cyber crime. Another one is cyber terrorism, the act of using cyber technology to threaten the security, unity and supremacy of a nations. That means creating using the cyber technologies, using the internet and all for threatening our nation, the security, unity and supremacy of our nation. It is also an important cyber crime. So these are some of the cyber crime. The cyber law that came into effect in India on October 17, 2000 is the IT Act 2000. This law was later amended in October 27. Okay, so those who are doing these all things is punishable and they have to go to jail. They have to face a lot of lot of problems by law. But our nation, our country is is giving, what all the punishments are they are giving, they have to face other punishments. Okay, so these are some of the cyber crimes. So with this our chapter is also completed. So what all things we have studied in this chapter? We studied how to send an email, what all things we must keep in mind while sending a email, and also we have studied about CAPTCHA. We studied how to create a email account. That means for sending the email, the well-known service provider is Gmail. We created Gmail account. We sent an email through that. And also we studied about the Wikipedia, and in that Wikipedia we studied what is School Wiki, how to open the site of School Wiki, how to add the informations in that, how to create membership, and also we studied about the wiki codes for adding some inspirational lines or codes. For that we have a wiki source. These all are some of the siblings of the Wikipedia. So what we can understand is Wikipedia is accessible to each and every individuals. Anyone can make changes in Wikipedia. Okay, and also we studied about the wiki codes and how to add the contents in wiki codes, and also about the cyber crimes. So with this much we are winding up the chapter. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So those who are having the computers, try to create your own account. Try to create the membership. Sometimes it will show some internal errors, but just try to do continuously. So sometimes you will be getting the what we say lottery, or we can say sometimes you will be redirecting, will be getting your own account, and you can add the informations to that. In the practice the activity for creating the school or wiki school wiki account, and also in the wiki codes, how to access the wiki codes, how to add the extra information. So practice that all activity. If you have any doubt, you must ask me in the coming Google Meet. So thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.